All right, so right now I'm looking at the smartmi filter, and this is just for filtering the air around you, and I have to say that this is the best thing I've ever brought into my house. I'll just talk about a couple of modes first. So first we got the heart, which is custom settings, so you can set that. I haven't set it because I just basically want to come in, turn it on, and not have to deal with it, and it actually works like that. So now I've got auto mode, so it's an A auto mode, so it's going to essentially read the air and then output whatever it needs. And then sleep mode. Sleep mode is just silent mode, so that way I can throw it on while I'm sleeping. It's not going to make any noise whatsoever. I can hear the noise outside of the house more than I can hear this thing. It's got a cool digital display on the top. It's not just, a couple lights. It actually tells you information, which is really cool. But really the best thing about this is just the filtration. So I put this in, I put it in sleep mode, and then I went to bed. When I woke up the next day, I smelled the cleanest air I've ever smelled. And this is better than like mountain air. This is better than like commercial cleaning air. It just smelled so clean and so crisp that it felt like I was in an entirely different house. There's no stuffiness in the room that usually comes from snoring all night like I usually do. And my girlfriend even says she sleeps way better during the day. Usually she gets up a few times during the night. And with this, since we put this in, she's been able to sleep every night consistently. So, of course, that improves her mood, which improves my mood. So that's one of the big reasons why this is the best thing. And plus, we put this in a bedroom. It's designed for a living room, but this actually cleans all the rooms on this floor, and it's in our bedroom. Like I walk into the other bedrooms, and they smell clean. So this has completely changed the way that our house feels, and I can't recommend it enough.